Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another week in the market, man. Y'all know how it go. Hope y'all enjoyed y'all weekend. Spent some time with your loved one, family, and friends. Most importantly, had some me time to yourself. Weekends go by fast. Mondays come back quick. All right, we got another short week. Got New Year's on Wednesday. The market will be closed on Wednesday, as you know. Usually on New Year's Eve, just like Christmas Eve, the market is closed at 1 o'clock p.m. But I just seen on Weaver that it's going to stay open till 4 o'clock p.m. on Tuesday, so you don't have to worry about getting up rushing the trade. And they said the extended hours going to stay open, so basically you really got a full day. I want to say on Tuesday, so we're good on Tuesday. Wednesday the market gonna be closed as expected. So any urgent news, urgent buys, urgent sales? No. Bitcoin is coming down. Market is pulling back. As you can see, my portfolio value is at $53,112.27, down $1,424 for the day. Buying power $4,893. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Get your papers and pencils ready. Let's go and give ourselves a raise so we ain't got to go on strike. I didn't probably need to stop saying that. I might, offend some people's feathers. I might ruffle some people's feathers. Shall I say that? Anyway, let's go OXSQ. All right, this pays a dividend of 3.5 cents a share. Just made a new 52-week low today. I just see the market is pulling on back. This is time to accumulate and use some of that the dry powder you've been having on the side. We're going in here at $2.40. Pays a dividend of 3.5 cents a share a month. Like I said, let's go give ourselves a raise. I'm gonna get 3 shares at $2.40. Like to spend $10 a day on it. I just get 3. It's always under, but according to the price of it. For that day, OXSQ, that's a monthly one. We're going to go to another one I like, SPYT. Pays a dividend of 33 cents a share a month. This does options on the S&P 500. Got down to 1940. Which I'm going to get a whole share of this. Because it's very rare you catch this at this price. And I'm going to ride this on down. It's 33 cents a share a month. And it's less volatile than the other Yield Max ETFs. The other one down today is QQQY. This is volatile, but it kick out major dividends. I say get you 100 shares and just reinvest the dividends from there on out. This got down to 31.08 today. Y'all know I got this on recurring. At $1 a day, it automatically goes in and get it. But on the red days, I throw another $1 to $2 to $3 with it. The other one we going is ULTY. People might consider to be volatile too, but it kick out the dividend. Like I say, with these Yield Max ETFs, it's got down to $8.98 today. Gonna get $3 worth. I don't load up on none of them. In another portfolio, I get 1 share ULTY every day. I want to build it up, probably get me a good 200, 300 shares and let it ride. Another one we going monthly, HRZN, Horizon Technology. I know we've been buying this for the last couple months. 11 cents a share dividend monthly. It got down to $8.85 today. As you know, I'm cashing up, so I'm doing fractional shares on everything. AMDY, another one pays out monthly. I think I already got my 100 shares in. No, I don't. I thought I did. But get a little bit of that too. The other one is KLIP, because once you get your 100 shares, depends on the ETF and how they pay out. I mean, you could just reinvest the dividends doing fractional shares. Got down to 1070 today. Just getting $3 worth. Like I said, I just reinvest the fraction, well, my dividends back into it. Another one down, you gotta take advantage. SDIV. This is like less volatile. Dollar cost averaging down in this. I like this at 22 and under. $5 worth for that. Another monthly one is AGNC, one of my favorite REITs, along with ARR, which we're gonna go to next. Got down to $9.19. You definitely got to take advantage of this. Get some shares of this one. Oh, they trade 24 market, AGNC. Okay. I never knew that. Only in Robinhood though. All right, we're going to go ARR, Armor Residential REIT. Pays 24 cents a share a month. Got down to 1841. I like that 1841. I got about order in. I like 1837. It seems like it always hit 1837, 1838, 1841. Not far from it. Get 5 shares at this price. Need to lower my average cost in this anyway. We're gonna go EFC. Got a nice list today. Like I say, on the red days, the redder it is. The longer the list, the greener it is, the shorter the list. $11.99 right here. It's coming on down. I like this at $12.25 and under. Pays 13 cents a share. Hold on, I don't think. Does EFC trade 24 hours? I thought it did. There we go. Got EFC, AGNC. We're going to go SLVO. Cover calls on silver. It's coming on down. I like this around the $70 mark. It's getting close enough for me to start nibbling. Also pays out a monthly dividend. All right, we're gonna go. I'm gonna give y'all some other ones to write down, man. ACP, that y'all know who trade with me. Y'all should know these. Can't trade these in Robinhood. Got to trade them in another portfolio. ACP, going $5.92. Go PRT. That's Perm Royalty Trust, $3.55. We're gonna ride that all the way back up to the 380 and leave it alone. OPP, which is a River North, $8.25. ACP pays 0.775 cents a share a month. OPP pays 10 cents. PRT this month paying 5 cents, but it normally does 3 cents a share. So I guess they're giving us a little special dividend for December. I think today is the ex-dividend date, so whatever you had today, you get credit for that payment for January. Also, y'all write down these dividend growth stocks. Ticker AES, which is a utility company. Another one down, J&J, Johnson & Johnson. That's one, that's a buy and hold. Also, you got CVS. If y'all want to make a position or come down in that one. And there was another one. It'll come to me. I got it on this paper. SCHD. Which we're gonna go get some in this portfolio too though. But these ones I got in another portfolio. Another monthly I left off. ORC, Orchid Island. Pays 12 cents a share a month. Also down to 777. You got 778 right here. Haven't bought any of this in a while. Gonna get $20 worth. I do have my 1,000 shares, as you can see. So from here on out, I will be doing fractional shares. I should be getting $120 a month. As you see this dividend I got coming here. Should be for today, I want to say. Yeah, as you can see, I got a dividend coming on 984 shares, 12 cents a share, $118.11. I'm supposed to be paid today, which is the 30th. But for y'all that want to get into real estate, buying REITs, real estate investment trust, REITs, is the easy way to get into it without you actually, well, you're a part of the company, but not like owning the property itself like you would do if you actually went and brought a house and got to go change the toilets, deal with the incoming tenants, headaches, fuses going out, water heaters going out, all that other headache stuff. You can sit back and get your monthly dividend. It's like your rent still. But it's the easiest way to get into, and the entry level price to get into this is way cheaper buying a REIT or a stock, the REITs, than what it is to be buying a property. But you want to share that with y'all. That's ORC. So as you can see, I'm gonna have at least $120 a month coming in, so I can easily just invest. But it's about 25 trading days a month, like $3 a day. At the minimum. If I want to just reinvest it back into it, if it's at a good price for me to buy it. Let's keep it going. Ticker PSCC, Prospect Capital. Just paid 4.5 cents a share a month dividend. Down to 420. I like this right now at 425, 430 and under. I get a share of this every day. Dollar cost averaging, they cut their dividend from 6 cents to 4.5 cents a share. 4.2 $4.20. Y'all know, always put it on extended. If it got 24 hours, put it on 24 hours. That's another one, pays out monthly, that I skipped over too. Got a long list, man. All right, we're gonna go with IVR. This a REIT, pays out quarterly, 40 cents a share. This one just had the ex-dividend date, so now it's down in the, as you see, it got down to 766 today. Which I'm trying to accumulate some shares on this. This will easily run up back past the $9 range. But it's definitely the time to buy some of this. Let me see. IVR 766. Got SCHD, which is a REIT. Not a REIT, ETF. It's got down to 2705. Nice time to accumulate some of that. We're going to go with MPW, Medical Properties Trust. $3.63. It's a quarterly paying REIT. This going to go past the $4 range easily. You can do this for a swing trade and collect the dividend while you're just waiting. 3.63. I'm getting 2 shares every day at these prices. so I can swing trade it later. The other one I like, now y'all pick and choose what y'all like to trade. But the ones I'm giving to y'all are pretty safe. 1051 for Western Union. I got about order at 1043 for 5 shares. As you can see what my other buy order is. 1039. Going in the day, I like the 1051 price. So definitely got to get some of this. This is another one you can swing. So you definitely got to take advantage of these prices. 24 hour. Western Union got a dividend coming out too. Pays a dividend, safe dividend. Where is that? Come back up. Here we go. This is the dividend payment I got for the bar. Pays 23.5 cents a share every quarter. It's like a little over 7, almost 8 cents a share a month. $55.41 I got coming. We're gonna go Starbucks. Like I said, it's a nice list today. SBLK. We're at 1460. I'm gonna get a share at that price there. This is a marine dry bulk shipping company. All right, gonna go ChargePoint. Y'all know this is an EV charging station. This for a swing trade. This does not pay a dividend. Most of y'all probably don't want to come into this one. This one you're gonna buy and hold to about 2027. But you can make some profits, but you can lose some money also. 1.08. Give me another 25 shares at this price. I think I did get 100 today. 100 and something. I'm going to add on to it. Like I say, this is the accumulation stage at this price. Bring my average call down. I'm at 141 now. Which I'm going to sell all this stuff over probably around about 123, 127. The day I have of that squeeze. And when it goes up, I'm going to sell those shares I just brought. And get out and keep the rest for the long haul. All right. These are some you might not want to enter. I'm upside down getting my butt whipped. I'm about to trade myself up out of them. But OPI, do not enter this one unless you already got it and dollar cost averaging down. And I say again, leave this one alone. That's why I like doing the live trades. I tell y'all which ones to buy and which ones don't. This is another one I say to stay out of. This is a SBSW, which is a precious metal mining company. Now, I'm getting whipped in it, but I'm gonna trade myself up out of it. Once the interest rates go down and people can get some loans, everything gonna be all good. But y'all stay out of that one. I want to check on this one. ARI, this Apollo. This one y'all can buy. Apollo Commercial REIT. It's at 874. 863. Gonna go get a share of this. This one you can do. Gonna go in at 863. I'm getting a share 8.63. I think this is just a standard. Don't trade 24 hours. This back in the buy range. As you can see, this got a dividend yield of 14.6% with a market cap 1.21 billion. 52 week low is 852. which is at 876 right now, but we put a buy on in at 8663, which is good. 52-week highs at 1225. So you got some upside of about $3.50. Just buy it and hold it. All right, gonna go take a RPT. This Rhythm. This gonna be a swing trade. I think this company might actually do good, to be honest, but as you can see, I'm down in it, so I'm buying it. I'm buying 2 shares a day. I mean, if you want to get it in, you can. It does pay a dividend 9.27%, and it's a cheap stock. But I'm getting myself up out of it. That was ARI, which was Apollo. Another one I got to buy to come down, Medifast. This is a trade. It does not pay a dividend anymore. Does have good earnings though. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this tablet, man. It seems like Robinhood app been acting up for the last couple of trading days. I need to restart it. I just did an update on the app, but I need to restart this tablet for it to perform better. But if I do that, I'm gonna lose this video. So I got to finish this video because I ain't got time to do it over. All right, Medifast. Y'all stay out of this one. I mean, this does have good earnings. I think it's gonna be good in the future, but it's risky and it don't pay a dividend. I don't want y'all to come pointing the finger at me later. That's why I'm telling y'all stay out of it at your own risk. But this is a good price to start a position in it, or if you need to come on down, bring out your average calls. It's also a good price to do it. All right, ticker AQN, Algonquin, the utility company, buying a share of this every day. Going in at $4.39. I'll restart my tablet after I finish this video. This one here has a market cap of $3.5 billion with a dividend yield of 8.64%. 52-week low is 425 with a high of 679. So you got some upside about $2.30 a share. CHMI is another real estate REIT. Cherry Hill, been getting whooped. This is another one I'm probably gonna drop. I'm gonna trade myself out of it. I say stay out of it. If you do like a little risk of trading, this is one though, because it's gonna go back past the $3 mark. But like I say, I don't want y'all pointing the finger. I'm just showing y'all what I am doing. So enter at your own risk. It does pay a quarterly dividend though. So and it's at a good entry level price for you to get in. I mean, you buying it at the low, so really ain't got but another way to go, but it could go down some more. You never know. One thing about this market, you cannot time it, but one thing it does, do get paid for holding it. All right, that's everything on my list. Let me go check these traps. Like I said, this video is gonna be long. So I had a nice little list today. As you see the market pulling back, this is what it is. This is a part of trading. One thing about the market, you never know what it's going to throw at you in the morning, which is going to be one of your biggest challenges. It's part of business, which is the most competitive sport to me. They think playing football and basketball is that, a boxing. You able to look at the videos on your opponent or the team you are playing. You can look at a video and study them, study the plays, how they run, their formations and all that. But one thing about the market, man, you cannot study it. You do not know what it's going to throw. You do not know what the economy is going to do. not knowing a war gonna break out somewhere, or somebody hit a gas oil tank or refinery, and that gas going up, or inflation not going, this and this and that, the CPI and all that other stuff dealing with the economy. You don't know what all that stuff affects the stock market. So that's why I say, that business is the biggest sport, man, because you never know what it's gonna throw at you. Because one change or switch up in the economy itself can affect your business overall. So, all right, let's see. Make sure we ain't miss any. We're gonna check our traps. I call this. Make sure we ain't miss anything. Kraft Heinz, this one here, definitely in buy range. Just a buy and hold stock. I like this at 30, 32 and under. Fractional shares. Put that down so I don't forget that tomorrow. KHC. $3. HPP is another REIT. Hudson Pacific. That's getting whooped. I need accumulating this here too to bring down my average cost. Y'all stay out of this one. But this is one. It does pay a dividend and it's going to go up later. But like I say, stay out of it. I don't want no pointing the finger. I am a risky investor. But one thing I do, I tell y'all which plays to stay in. Which plays to buy and which plays not to buy. Just me, I like real estate, so I buy a lot of REITs. And being that the way the economy has been for the last couple of years, real estate has been getting its butt whooped. Ready Capital. I'm buying a share of this every day too to bring down my average cost. This is one you can do. You can buy. Got a dividend of 16.31%. Market cap 1.16. Only thing might happen, it might cut his dividend, but they might reduce it, but a little bit. But outside of that, you still gonna get a dividend. Dividend gonna be paid according to the economy and how business is going. Right now, real estate is getting its butt whooped. But once the interest rates get cut short, it's gonna go back flying. So it's time for you to accumulate. 24 hours, Ready Capital, 684. Let me check the Dow. The Dow been getting whooped. 30 up, 39.53. All right, the Dow, 27.6 billion market cap. 52-week low of 38.85 with a high of $60.69. Dividend yield 7%, and the dividend is safe. Time to do something else. All right, that's the Dow. Got SBSW, got ChargePoint, got MetaFast. Nike coming down, but I'm gonna let it come down some more. BGS Foods is another one to buy. To buy these dips here. 10.72% yield, market cap 544 million, 52-week low is 612, with a high of 1197. So this is truly undervalued. All right, that's BGS. AFCG, this is a marijuana REIT. They rent out the the buildings, the warehouses to marijuana growers, like I say, which is a REIT still. They're getting whipped too. Like I said, the sector of real estate just getting their butt handed to. Well, it's the time for you to accumulate. It ain't gonna stay down for forever. I am KTA. This Angles, the grocery store. They had bad earnings, so this coming down. It's a growth stock. I got other stuff you able to buy, like the other one, a good stock is Kroger's. This one I seen this in in the North Carolina mountains when I was in the Blue Ridge. It's like a little growing company. I am KTA, $3. Oop, didn't mean to do that. All right, back where I left off. I'm at the yield match section of my portfolio, so you know I'm at the end of the trade. I say sorry, man, but I got a lot of buys. Like I say, the market is down, pulling on back. Trump getting the office at 120. Gonna see what's gonna happen then. They can pull on back some more too, so we're gonna see. Say this the time for y'all to get a hustle, do Uber Eats, deliver some pizzas or something, get you some cash to have for the market to buy these dips. All right, QDTE, this pays out weekly. It's at 40.29. I got $1 a day recurring into this. On the days it's down, I add another $1 to buy the dip. Not loading up on nothing. It's QDTE, XDTE is another one that pays out weekly. Now these pay out weekly. So according to how much money you're able to put in, you can get you a check every week. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to start this tablet over because it keeps on going out. I think it's the app. I done updated it, but I need to restart it. But I can't do it in the middle of a video, so guess we all got to suffer with it. But I am about done. All right, we got an SCHD. FEPI was a new one I started. Also pays out monthly, a nice yield every month. It's at 50.30. I get $1 a day in this one here. Also 50.30. The day lows at 49.67. That's another one to get into. But I'm gonna just end this video here. I got to give y'all this one. This is YMAX, another weekly pair. And ETF. Got to take advantage of these prices here. Also, I get $1 a day. It's got down to 16.88. So I'm definitely gonna get one of those today. Yep, 24 hour. And it's gonna be the last trade for the day, and I'm in this video. I know I just said I had to give y'all one more though. This is a REIT. If y'all want to own land, that's the only reason I'm giving it to you. If y'all still there, I know this is a long video today. I don't expect y'all to be there. I know y'all attention span ain't that long, especially when it comes to education. But it's there for entertainment. Alright, this Gladstone land pays a monthly dividend. Dividend yield 5.25%. This rated as a buy and a hold. 52-year low is 10.37. We're going in at 10.38. It's at 10.48 today for the low. I'm going in for a share. This is how you can invest in land. They rent out farmland. They're like farmers and stuff. And this pays out monthly. Dividend yield ain't going anywhere. Safe dividend. That's another one. All right, man, I'm out. Enjoy your day. Signing off. Go get your money.